Distinguished awardee for tonight,
BCHS Alumni Association Incorporated confers this Distinguished Alumni Award to, congratulations, Baguio City High School Class of 1988, Miss Armela Pinodo Javier. Serving others from humble beginnings, he rose to become a pillar of humanitarian service in Baguio as well as in the Cordilleras. As co-founder and president of 911 On Call Incorporated, he has led hundreds of volunteers in responding to emergencies and disasters.
Distinguished educator, whose excellence has brought honor to Baguio City High School. Distinguished outstanding researcher of UAE, World Class Teacher Service Award, and the Dakilang Bayani Award. An outstanding researcher and a world-class educator, she continues.
73, Architect Arsenio Omar Eslava. He proudly recognized a distinguished son of Baguio City, whose work has raised confidence through architecture, art and service. A Filipino-American architect and artist whose career spans over 4 decades of excellence in design, project management, and community-centered development. From humble beginnings, he rose to lead major architectural projects in the United States.
Stasio Jr., professional service. A distinguished leader in public health and behavioral science, whose work has transformed lives across communities and nations. He has dedicated over 3 decades to public health. His work continues to bring science, culture, and service, creating lasting impact on communities. Today, we honor him as an outstanding alumnus of Baguio City High School. Congratulations, Sanes. Our awardee is a distinguished educator and researcher whose work has significantly advanced agricultural science in the Cordilleras. He has devoted his career to horticulture as an associate professor of PhD dormancy, chickpea. Performance in yakult propagation has contributed to improving crop production
And commitment to the fair and efficient administration of justice. Beyond the courtroom, she has also contributed to legal education, shaping future members
and educators through his leadership and commitment to exercise enduring legacy of reflects a lifetime of dedication, integrity, and selfless service. Today, we honor. Congratulations, Dr. Eduardino Damos Damata of BAUS 1951.
Once again, congratulations, Regional Director Luis June B. Fermin.
Dedication and exemplary service to the nation. With over 27 years of dedicated service in the Philippine National Police, he has exemplified professionalism, integrity, and excellence in law enforcement, rising through ranks from Police Officer 1 to Police Executive Master Sergeant. He has earned more than 80 awards and commendations to his contributions to anti-criminality.
As a member of the Board of Directors of the Philippine Society of General Surgeons, she contributes to the advancement of surgical standards, education, and professional development nationwide. Her work in clinical practice, research, and community service reflects a steadfast commitment to improving healthcare outcomes and saving lives. Once again, we honor her as an outstanding alumna of Baguio Academia and Enterprise. After years of dedicated service as a faculty member and academic leader at Baguio State University, Alpha Paris County Show in 2025. Beyond business, she continues to uplift the community through training, mentorship, and active involvement.
Entrepreneur whose journey reflects perseverance, creativity, and unwavering dedication. From humble beginnings in Baguio City, he has risen to become multi-awarded landscape entrepreneur in Australia, known for his innovative designs, sustainable practices, and exceptional
and professionals. Her work in public health, research, and clinical practice, along with her numerous awards and publications, reflects excellence in service beyond borders. Despite her international achievements, she has remained deeply connected to her alma mater.
Implemented, but clearly understood and genuinely felt by Filipino families. Her excellence has been recognized through several distinguished awards from 2022 to 2025, including the Puso
And it's time for our next awardee. Geographic list of the best backgrounds and parties. More than her achievements.